So you learn that whenever we use the new operator to allocate memory on the heap, we should always remember to deallocate memory using the delete operator. If we don't do so, the memory that we allocated is not going to be available for reuse in the future. And as we allocate more memory, our program is going to consume more and more memory, and eventually it's going to run out of memory and crash. This is when we say our program has a memory leak, which means it's constantly consuming more and more memory. Now, this is an overly simplified example. You might think it's really easy to delete a pointer, but real-life programs often have tens, hundreds, or even thousands of functions, and these functions might create pointers for allocating memory all over the place. Then remembering when and where we should delete these pointers can be really difficult, and we should also be careful not to delete a pointer twice. Let's see what happens if we delete this pointer twice. So take a look. Our program crashed. So memory management in real-life C++ programs can be really difficult. That's why in modern C++, we have a new concept called smart pointer, which free us from having to delete these pointers. So we can work with these pointers just like regular variables that we declare on the stack. Now, we have two types of smart pointers, unique and shared. We'll talk about them over the next two lessons.